Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word forefathers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The ideas of liberty and democracy were deeply ingrained in the minds of our forefathers. Forefathers refer to ancestors or predecessors who came before us, typically referring to those who played a significant role in shaping our history or traditions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.